We're here today in the Royal Irish Academy to celebrate the Higher Education Authority ESD Spotlight Series, which has been running over the past 12 months, where every higher education institution in the island of Ireland has shared their ESD practice to encourage collaboration and acceleration of climate action, the SDGs and sustainability.
And I'm here today to talk about a student-led conference on sustainability that will be happening in April 2026.
I'm here today to present UCD's use of UNESCO's Competency Framework as a starting point for interdisciplinary engagement in education for sustainable development.
Today I'll be talking about the sustainability orientation that we deliver in TU Dublin that sets the tone, the standard and the values that we expect of our incoming students.
Here today to speak about our Education for Sustainable Development work, curriculum design framework, our resource hub, our mapping exercise across all our curricula, and the overall strategy at Trinity.
Today I'm talking about what we've done to help the academics to integrate ESD into their own practice. We've done that in a number of ways through curriculum design, but mainly through supporting the academics in their practice. We've done a number of things, but the main one is we've introduced the open course for the academics. And what we've tried to do is really adapt it to the needs of academics at DCU. We've integrated key themes within DCU, such as DCU Futures, and I've tried to really focus in on what the academics need to integrate it into programs and modules. And I like to think it's been fairly successful so far.